These are Spy Hailwood frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. First thing you're going to want to do to remove a lens is to pull outward on the top side of the frame while pushing downward on the corresponding side of the lens, like so. Again, just pull out and push down. The lenses should pop out very easily. Now, next, to install lenses in your Spy Hailwood frames, you're going to want to line up the far edge of the lens with the far edge of the frame. You just slide in that part and push the rest in. There should be a loud pop to signify that the lens is now secure. Again, far side of the lens into the far side of the frame, like so, and just pop the rest in.